In today's video, we're going to walk through how to speed up your Windows 11 PC so it boots faster, launches programs quicker, and runs your favorite apps and games more smoothly. If you've been noticing lag or slow performance when opening apps or playing games, these simple steps will make your system feel much faster without using any third-party software. It'll feel like you just installed a fresh copy of Windows. Make sure you watch until the end because the last step is very important. And I promise, you'll start noticing a performance boost as early as Step 2. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Storage Sense. The first step is turning on Storage Sense. This is a great built-in feature in Windows 11 that automatically removes temporary and unnecessary files stored on your computer. These files build up over time from browsing the internet, running apps, and playing games, and they can slow your system down. Here's how to enable it. Open the Start menu, go to Settings, click on System, then click on Storage. Wait a few seconds for the storage data to load, then turn on Storage Sense. Next, click into its advanced options and select all options except downloads. If you frequently delete and restore files, you may want to uncheck Recycle Bin. Then click Remove Files, followed by Continue. This will delete unnecessary temporary files and free up space on your C drive, improving overall system performance. Step 2. Adjust privacy settings. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Click on General and turn off all the toggles there. Go back to Privacy and Security, then open Speech and turn it off. Disable background services you don't use. Go to Diagnostics and Feedback and turn off the unnecessary options. Click on Location and disable location access unless you really need it. Go to Camera and turn off camera access if you don't use video apps like Zoom. Next, open Notifications and disable promotional and unnecessary app notifications. You can also review other sections like Contacts and Call History and turn off anything you don't use. Disabling these features reduces background activity and frees up system resources. Step 3. Disable System Suggestions. Go to System, then Notifications. Scroll down and disable suggestions and promotional tips from Microsoft. These background recommendations may seem small, but they consume system resources and can affect performance over time. Step 4. Remove unused apps. Go to Settings, then Apps. First, click on Startup and disable all startup apps except your antivirus software. These are apps that launch automatically when your PC starts, and many of them aren't necessary. Then go to Apps and Features and uninstall any applications you don't use. For example, if you use Facebook in your browser, you don't need the standalone app installed. Click the three dots next to the app and select Uninstall. Removing unused apps frees up storage space and improves system speed. Step 5. Disable Xbox Game Bar. Go to Settings, then Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar, and turn it off. This feature runs in the background even if you're not actively using it and can consume system resources. However, if you're a gamer and regularly use it, you may want to leave it enabled. Step 6. Manually delete temporary files. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp. Press Enter. Select all files by pressing Ctrl plus A, then permanently delete them using Shift plus Delete. If you see a file that can't be deleted, click Skip. Now open Run again and type %temp%. Press Enter. Select all files and delete them the same way. This removes leftover temporary files that Windows doesn't always clean automatically. Step 7. Adjust performance settings. Press Windows plus R again and type SYSDMCPL. Press Enter. Go to the Advanced tab Then click Settings under the Performance section. Choose Adjust for best performance. Then manually enable only the important visual options, such as smooth edges of screen fonts, show thumbnails instead of icons, show window contents while dragging. Click Apply, then OK. Finally, restart your computer. After completing these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in boot time, application launch speed, and overall system responsiveness. And that's it. These are the most effective ways to speed up Windows 11 without installing any additional software.